Objectives for this part are two. 1. Infer the usage of each type of tenses. Past time. 2. Use tenses in the correct form in a sentence. Fifth tense. Examples. 1. She played football yesterday. 2. My friends visited me 2 weeks ago. 3. I saw my teacher last week. Read the sentences and locate the verb in each sentence. After locating the verb, tell where the keyword of time is. The three sentences happened in the past time: yesterday, 2 weeks ago, and last week. The rule says. The rule says when talking about an action which happened in the past time: yesterday, ago, last, in 1990. We use the past simple tense. What is the form of the past simple tense? Observe the verbs very well. The past simple tense could be written by 1. Adding ed to the verb. 2. Or by changing the form of the verb for irregular verbs. Sixth tense. Examples. 1. The workers were eating their lunch yesterday at 1 p.m. 2. While I was studying, the bell rang. Read the sentences and locate the verb in each sentence. After locating the verb, tell where the keyword of time is. Sentence 1 happened at a specified time in the past, yesterday at 1 p.m. 2. Sentence 2 happened when an action was happening and another interrupted it. The rule says. 1. When talking about an action which happened at a specific time in the past, yesterday at 1 p.m. 2. When an action was happening in the past and another action interrupted it. We use the past continuous tense. What is the form of the past continuous tense? Observe the verbs very well. To make a verb in the past continuous tense. Add with or were plus ing to the verb. Seventh tense. 1. They had arrived to the airport before the airplane departed. 2. My friend bought their house after his family had immigrated. Read the sentences and locate the verb in each sentence. After locating the verb, tell where the key word of time is. Sentences 1 and 2 are expressing two action verbs which happened in the past time. But one of them happened before the other. The rule says, when two action verbs happen in the past and one of them happens before the other, we use the past perfect tense. What is the form of the past perfect tense? Observe the verbs very well. To make a verb in the past perfect tense, add plus past participle form of the verb. Eighth tense. 1. The kids had been playing for 3 hours when it started to rain. 2. He had been waiting the bus for 2 hours when it finally arrived. Read the sentences and locate the verb in each sentence. After locating the verb, tell where the key word of time is. Sentences 1 and 2 are expressing two action verbs happened in the past. One of them was progressing in the past for hours before the other action stopped it. The rule says, when a verb progresses in the past for hours before being interrupted by another action verb, we use the past perfect continuous tense. What is the form of the past perfect progressive tense? Observe the verbs very well. To make a verb in the past perfect progressive tense, add plus been plus ing to the verb. Now, answer the questions. Listen.